Okay, so for page 259, question 1, it says to determine the slope of each object. And it says for help with these questions, look at example 1. So for example 1, it says that you calculate the slope by recognizing that slope formula is rise over run. 2.50 is a rise. 4.00 is the run. So 2.50 divided by 4 is equal to 0.625. So the slope is always a rise over run. And so when we go back to question 1, so see how for this slide, we have a run of 5 and a rise of 3. And so slope formula is rise over run. So rise is 3. So 3 divided by 5 is 0.6. So when we have word problems, we can use decimals as another way of representing our answer. And so for this roof example, we have a rise of 4.4 and a run of 3.2. So 4.4 divided by 3.2. Okay, so I'm just giving you these prompts so that you can start to do some of these questions. Let's see. Question 2. A section of road is built with the vertical rise of 2.5 meters over a horizontal run of 152 meters. Find the slope. So you have a rise of 2.5, so 2.5 divided by 152. So 2.5 divided by 152 is I'm getting 0.0164. So about 0.02. Okay, to be safe, a wheelchair ramp needs to have a slope no greater than 0.08. Does a wheelchair ramp with a vertical rise of 1.4 along a horizontal run of 8 meters satisfy the safety regulation? So we have a rise of 1.4 and a run of 8. So 1.5 divided by 8, I'm getting 0.175. So if you have a higher number for the slope, the steeper that is. So a wheelchair ramp with a slope of 0.175 is higher than 0.08. And so you would say, okay, this wheelchair ramp does not satisfy the safety regulation because it has a slope of 0.175 versus 0.08. Question 4. For each line segment, count grid units to find the rise, count grid units to find the run, determine the slope. So when I look at this line segment, conveniently they have picked the 2 coordinates for me. And so I have a rise of, well, if I was to go along here, my run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had counted 5 blocks for the run, and 1, 2, 3 for my rise. So my rise is 3, my run is 5, so my slope is 3 divided by 5, so 0.6. Okay, for this one, you have going from C to D, you're always looking at the left or right. So you have a rise of 1, 2, 3, negative 3. So a rise of negative 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a run of 5. So my slope is m equals rise negative 3 over 5. Okay, question 5. So let's see. A lot of these are, some of these are positive slopes, some of them are negative slopes, and for example, AB, it'll be rise of 1, a run of 3. So rise over run, so 1 divided by 3 for this slope. Let's do something that's different. So D, GH. So that has a rise of 0 and a run of 5. So that means it has a slope of 0 divided by 5, and any number divided and 0 divided by any number is 0. So this is a horizontal line, and a horizontal line has a slope of 0. JI, IJ. All right, part E, IJ. So this is a vertical line. So a vertical line has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, has a rise of 7 and a run of 0. So that's 7 divided by 0. Put that in the calculator. and you should get undefined or a math error, okay? Any number divided by 0 is equal to undefined. So a vertical line has an undefined slope. Meanwhile, a horizontal line has a slope of 0. And then these ones will have some positive values and these ones will have some negative values. I hope that helps.